Hi everybody, my name is Carson. I'm a teacher here with Denver Yoga Social, and we're practicing today in our amazing and fun Saturday venue 14er Brewing. I'm here to show you one of our foundational poses, Anjaneyasana low lunge. This is something to get your practice started and something you can learn and grow with. But essentially, I like to start this pose either from a plank or even a down dog. And I'm going to start with my right leg here, stepping it forward, lifting up, trying not to slide it, but instead just place it down. And I'll lower my back knee. You can keep the toes tucked behind you to open up the sole of that foot, or you can let them go long. I like to give myself some more space by tenting my fingertips to give my spine some length and shine my heart forward, roll my shoulders back. As you learn and grow with this posture, you can rise into a low crescent lunge, taking your biceps by your ears and shining the heart forward. This gives you a little bit of a back bend, a heart opener here, but if that's too much, you can always come back to your Anjaneyasana low lunge. I like to make sure my knee is stacked on top of this ankle and that I've got the space to roll my shoulders back and have a nice long spine and neck. Sometimes this can be too much pressure on this knee down here, so I'll just demonstrate in that event. And anytime your knees are down, you can always fold your mat over to give yourself a little bit of extra cushioning and then come back into the pose. That way my knee has a little bit more protection right there.